name's Joseph Refuses to Go. Welcome to my shop. This intro will give you a little bit of information about what we do here and who we are. We are Refuses to Go Prototyping in southeastern Virginia, and we are a very small shop that specializes in jewelry one-offs and prototypes prior to production run. We interact with all phases, everything from milling and lathing down to simple fabrication by beating on it with a rawhide mallet on silver, all the way out to the cut molds for mass duplication work. We do all kinds of work. The only thing I don't do is plating work, and right now I'm not set up to do casting, but that'll change in the near future. The meowing you keep hearing is my shop cat, Gremlin. I'll give you a good look as best I can. That is Gremlin. Hi. Are you going to say hi to everybody? What a good shop cat. Anyhow, Gremlin keeps the mice at bay and earns her keep awesomely. As it sits right now, I only have a couple projects planned. My first project I'll be taping for you will be a pair of bracelets that I'm repairing, one for my mother, one for my fiance's mother. And then we'll be on to some hard milling because I have a rather grisly problem to solve. My 0602 lathe came in from Grizzly with a out of square compound slide on it. And no matter what I've done to it, I couldn't get it right. They've sent me several parts trying to correct it. Couldn't figure it out. Finally figured out what it was. The T-slot cut in it is cutting it out of square. I guess that's a good word for it. And that will be my first real milling project to show you guys. So, if you like what you see, please subscribe. Feel free to hit the like button, and by all means, if you see something you don't like what I'm doing, or you want me to do more of something or less of something, by all means, comment in the below. And as always, share this with anybody you think might enjoy it and might get a smile out of their day. Thanks for coming by my shop and sharing your time with me. Have a great day. Go make something.